performance on these mud tires. They're pretty good. I didn't get stuck at all. And I did have it on 4-wheel drive. And there was a nasty ass swamp in there that I went in. There's my tracks. It leads all the way in there. Yep, they're very nice tires. You cannot go wrong with those tires. They're very good tires. They don't hum on the freeway. They don't hum at high speeds either. What I do recommend is getting them road force balanced in a tire shop that knows what those dots are. Those are very important. Those dots on the tire. So y'all of them are perfectly aligned to that dot. Good tires. I like the performance it has. They're quiet, they're smooth. They grab the road really tight on wet surface and dry surface. They're made by Greenball, manufactured in Anaheim, California. They're Muteki tires, that's the Canadian model. And there's a Kanati model, which is the California model. But they're very good tires. Happy with them.